Hello, automotive enthusiast. Comparing intelligent safety systems in the latest Volvo and Mercedes luxury sedans. What happens when luxury sedans stop competing with horsepower and start competing with intelligence? Because in 2026, the real performance war is no longer just about acceleration. It's about which machine can see danger first, react faster than a human, and keep you alive without killing the driving experience. Today, we're putting Sweden against Germany in the ultimate technology showdown. The laser-focused precision of Volvo versus the algorithmic confidence of Mercedes-Benz. And honestly, this battle is far more important than a quarter-mile race. Main storytelling. The latest Volvo flagship arrives with a roof-mounted LiDAR system that scans the road ahead like something ripped straight out of a fighter jet. In total darkness, heavy rain, or chaotic highway traffic, it continuously builds a high-definition 3D map of the environment around the car. Not just detecting objects. Predicting movement. Every pedestrian. Every cyclist. Every sudden lane change. Volvo's philosophy has always been simple: safety before ego. But Mercedes-Benz approaches the future differently. The new S-Class and EQS platforms push Drive Pilot into a completely different dimension, blending radar arrays, cameras, ultrasonic sensors, and ultra-detailed mapping data into a semi-autonomous system designed to reduce driver workload at high speed. And this is where things get fascinating. Volvo feels cautious, calculated, almost protective. Mercedes feels bold, smooth, and shockingly confident. One behaves like an aerospace engineer. The other feels like a private jet on wheels. But hardware alone means nothing without integration. So we stress-tested both systems under aggressive lane merges, unpredictable urban traffic, and high-speed highway transitions. And the results exposed two completely different engineering philosophies. Volvo prioritizes redundancy and collision prevention. The steering corrections feel deliberate, conservative, safe. Mercedes, meanwhile, prioritizes flow. Its lane-centering logic feels almost human, gliding through traffic with unnatural smoothness while the air suspension isolates every imperfection beneath the cabin. This isn't just software anymore. It's mechanical refinement fused with artificial intelligence. And that raises the biggest question of all. Are we witnessing the final evolution of the luxury sedan? Because once cars can think, predict, and react faster than humans, traditional horsepower numbers suddenly become secondary. The future of performance may not be louder engines. It may be smarter engineering. Ending. So between Swedish safety obsession and German technological dominance, which philosophy would you trust with your life at 130 kilometers per hour? Drop your answer below. Because this is no longer just a luxury car comparison. This is the future of mobility itself.